Yeah, this is Mr. Bling again, and today we are going direct to do a DIY project. Leo, tuna paint hii kitu. This is a jib that we have already built. It's already balanced. You can see the camera is already mounted. Everything is perfect except one thing. Paint. It should look neat. Sahi iko na yellow, iko na orange, iko na... So we are going to paint it today. And before we paint the jib, before we paint it, we also have another project. This is a chest bike that we are building. It has taken too long. It has taken like a year and something. But trust you me, it's going to its final stages. We are going to finalize on it. This is going to be a chest bike. Yes, we are going to mount cameras here, cameras here. So you better watch out for this project. And also again, there is this dude. Kuna huyu jamaa anaitwa Mr. Wafubwa. Mr. Wafubwa will be coming on every Saturday right here on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe and put on the bell button. So every time we upload a new video, ukuwe ukituona, ukuwe ukitufollow. And also share it with your friends so that we get more viewers. Now let's get into it. To paint hii kitu. First things first. Wanasemanga safety first. And this time is not safety first. It's apron first. So acha tuvae hii kitu haraka haraka. Yeah, I remove my shoes. And also, you can also go back to our channel. When you go to the YouTube channel, you can scroll down. There are short clips we do. And for those people who do not understand the ergonomic of this channel, we do film equipments. That's our business. We do film equipments and we also test them. So we sell them, we hire them after we have made them. There are so many we are going to show you, but today, let's focus on the jib. Oh, I was putting on my buttons. There is also another video that is coming up about, we are going to show you around the studio, but that one is another video for another day. So, how do I look? Yeah? Nakaaje? Umesoma lebo, eh? Okay. Preparation first. So, hii tunaileta tu hapo katikati. This is what we are going to paint. We are painting from here, here, here. This thing looks green. Should not look green. We are going to remove. So, first thing first, I'll remove the camera. I don't want to paint the camera, Joe. Hey, sitaki kupaint camera. So, hiyo tunatoa. Hiyo tunatoa. So this we do like this. Hiyo tunatoa. Mr. Joseph, shika hiyo. And also, we are not going to paint the camera head. So we are also going to remove this one. That one we are not going to paint. And for those who are wondering how short is the jib, I will show you the main importance of it being that short. There is a very big reason for it to be like that. I was adding these weights to balance it, and as you can see right now, it tends to be heavy on the back, of which that is okay. I will paint it like that. So first things first, remove the dust. Yes, I told you. Umetufuata hadi huku. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Ni sawa. So first things first, kuja huku. Kutoa dust. We remove the dust and oil. to make sure kako super clean. I've already done the sanding, I've already done the sandpaper, so it's only the paint that is remaining. So, and by the way, Saidoti, where's the paint? Oh. This is the paint. We are using can paint. So first of all, before you start painting, you have to shake it until the marble starts rattling. Ni loud, eh? So I can hear saizi imeanza kushake. So voila. This is matte black. I don't want it to shine. I don't want it to be very smooth. And as you know, the film equipments don't need to be that shiny. They need to be not reflective. The surface should not be very reflective. So let's get into it. One, two, three. Yote. So, kuja hii side via light, eh?
Is that a paint now?
Huh?
Now you're painting.
Yeah. So this is na usikaribishe sana isipaintiwe. We are painting everything. We're not sparing anything. Everything should be black. I had already painted it, so usishtuke. Nilikuwa nimeipaint. We use transformer for weight. The good thing with DIY projects is you can use anything as long as it works. As long as it works, use it. By the way, this is called a redneck style. No booth, no masks, no nothing. And by the way, I don't own any rights of the music that is playing on the background. Wasanii msinisu. Here I had already put a sticker on it, a wrap. It is a carbon fiber wrap and I like it, so I'm not going to paint that place. So you can see this place looks nice, so we paint the rest. Saitoti. And by the way, the guy behind the camera is called Saitoti himself. Jamusi amevaa mask. So we have given it first coat, so we will give it a few minutes, then we give it another coat. We give it like 3 coats, that will be, hiyo itakuwa imetosha. So wacha niende nikunywe kamaziwa kidogo, then I come back. So what Saitoti is doing is checking the parts that I have forgotten. Oh, yeah, leo nimekunywa chai mingi. So Saitoti. hata transformer yenyewe. I told you he has a mask. Alafu yeye ndiye atapaint hiyo kote ya pili. Wewe paint bana, paint huko. Hapa, you forgot here. Kuna hiyo. Hiyo chupa lazima uishike upright. Ukishika upside down haitatoa rangi. Unajua hiyo rangi ni kama maji.
Ni kama punduki.
Si kama punduki. Alafu hapa vile umeshikilia hivi hapa. Usikaribie sana, ukaribie itamwagika. Acha nikushikie upaint hapa. Angalia hapo kwa transformer chini. Good. Thank you. Nikazidu. It's coming, kanakuja.
Yes, it's coming. This is our first baby, as you can see.
Although we have used it severally.
Heavy, but this is a very, very fast project. And you will see more videos. You will see more videos coming. Just subscribe to this channel. Yes. And you can see me, I'm wearing a mask.
As you can hear, my cameraman has taken my job. Now he is painting, he is talking, he is doing everything.
My friend, where's Wafubo?
Wewe wachana mambo ya Wafubo. Wafubo atakam Saturday. By the way, I'm going to hire him for real.
Wafubo.
Yeah. So I think that's enough for today.
See you.
So we see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you so much.
Bye.
Niko.